Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a fall foliage. We're color melting in some deeper reds to give this a really balayage look without having to apply any lightener at all. If you want to know how I created this beautiful color, keep watching for a step-by-step tutorial.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all.
Okay, now that we have the base color on, we're going to move on to the foiling process. I am going to be applying several colors throughout the hair. I do start from the darkest at the root and then move to the lightest at the ends. The lightest I'll be applying today is an 8 and the darkest is a level 5.
What this is, yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie, 'cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. 'Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of So tell me where are you now when your head is in the clouds? I wanna find out now. Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm wondering with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up.
Okay guys, I'm gonna get everything blow dried really quickly and then I'm excited to show you the finished result.
Tell me what do you have in mind? Tell me what do you have in mind? Tell me what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know. Tell me what do you have in mind? What are you trying to find? Are we just wasting time? I wanna know. Tell me what do you have in mind?
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Alright, now that everything is blow dried, I am really loving this color. We did a really cute curtain bang as well as, you know, some beautiful shattered layers. Coming everything into place and boom. So pretty. So pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous melt from a level 5 down to a level 8. I wish you could see this in person because it is so much prettier in person. Oh, this turned out gorgeous. And it really will work for her all throughout fall and winter.
Here she comes like the rays of the sun, she shines. A 10 out of 10 low, she's no less than a dime.
Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.